Good afternoon friends, I'm Medha and let's discuss about the recent news of Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary. So let's know why it is in news. Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary rejected the proposal of the Haryana government to delineate the surrounding area of 1000 meters. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has issued a draft notification demarcating an area of 1 to 2 km around the Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary in Haryana. So let's know about Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary. It's spread over 25.98 square kilometer under the administrative control of the Union Territory of Chandigarh and shares its boundaries with Haryana and Punjab. It is located in the foothills of Shivaliks. It is home of several animals coming under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act 1972. These animals are leopard, Indian pangolin, sambar deer, golden jackal, king cobra, python and monitor lizard. According to Wildlife Act 1972, Schedule 1 species are considered endangered and in need of immediate protection. Besides that, Schedule 2 animal species like reptiles, butterflies, trees, shrubs, climbers, herbs and 250 bird species that inhabit the sanctuary. That's all for today. Thank you so much. For more such updates, follow AGIS, like, share and subscribe.